It's time to head off on Christmas holidays.
So when I go on the family holiday, it's kick back for weeks on end.
How good is this? Like a shower.
For me, taking the girls to such remote places, it's just the best feeling. Woo! I think they learn so much from being out in the bush.
Look at this place. How good is this place? Crocodile, sharks.
And when you get those glassy days, it's absolutely awesome.
Check the sounder, going nuts. Well done, Paulo. That's it, look at that. Look at that cracker.
There's no doubt about it, it brings the family close together when we get up to our secret location.